Before provisioning an SDC using the app, create an SDC in the Alta system. Log in to the Alta system. To access the European version, log in using the following URL. Next, click here, then here. Enter a site name and any other relevant site information. Here, select the preferred language for the emails sent by the system. Click Next. Here, enter the number of controllers located at the site, followed by the names of the controllers. In controller type, select Single Door Controller. Next, click here. Then, enter the number of readers connected to the controllers, enter their names, and check Next. Finally, review the site details and click Confirm and Submit. Note that this may take a few minutes for setup to complete. In the next segment, adding an SDC is reviewed. To begin, go to Devices, then ACUs. Click here to add a new ACU. Next, enter a name for the SDC. In controller type, select Single Door Controller. Then, click Save. Consult the specific training available to learn more about these topics.